who are special assistant to somebody who's already a special assistant to somebody. Yes. I'm not kidding. Yes. Even all these NANS leaders, they have special advisors, special assistants. So if your ambition is to become a special assistant, you will not understand the Sowore who is wanting to become a president of a country. Because your ambition, if we help another young person who becomes president in another country, the Nigerians will be celebrating the person. But bring a vibrant young person to Nigeria, they'll be talking down on the person. Are you getting my? So there's a problem of ambition as well. That a lot of young people, and I think we discussed it before now, that calling people young people is not a political movement. It's just a demographic. You are youth, young people. You are old people. And I've said this severally, I don't have problem with old people. I have problem with old ideas. That's just my own problem. If you are a responsible old person and you are still sharp upstairs, I trust you more than a lot of young people. People like Yaya Bello, they are young. Dino Melai, they are young. You know, all these, even all these your NANS leaders we are talking about, I don't know young people. They are young people, but look at what they are doing. They are more interested in sustaining the rot in Nigeria than creating even a path for their own development and progress. They are young people. So that is my answer to people who are saying, oh, will it be possible for people like this to people? If you don't have an ambition to elect a sharp person, a young person, someone who is physically, mentally, and intellectually sound, there's no way the person can become president. You can joke about my numbers all you want. Oh, Sowore doesn't get more than 50,000 votes. You're lost. The people who are getting 8 million votes, look at what they are doing to you. So will it not be better for a guy who can do the job, give him 20 million votes, than be mocking him that he didn't get 20? And I tell them, these people, especially our friends on the obedience, if you have 50,000 votes or 6.5 votes, all of us are losers. We all lost together. There is no seat for the person who is third position in a Nigerian presidential election. There is not even a seat for a person who is second position. So, but you are saying it out of ignorance. Instead of you to look at it and say, look, I'm ashamed of myself that my country is not governed by a sharp person. And if you are not presenting yourself, let the best be presented. Let the best win. So at the end of the day, we are going to keep abusing ourselves on Twitter again. These idiots will win again. And we start wailing and creating content around our misery. Does that make sense? This is something we can solve. I am saying it to every one of that seated here today, that I can govern this country just using a laptop. I don't even want an office. Just give me data and a laptop. I will be governing Nigeria. Everybody who is my minister will be doing Zoom meetings. Opari. Every evening, I'll come on my Facebook page or TikTok and tell you how much we have, how much we are spending. I'll break it down for you. Does that need an office? You don't need an office. But the Nigerian president will have all this retinue of staff, 10,000 people. They cannot get anything achieved. In fact, if they call you an advisor, they give you the position because they don't want to hear from you again. That's the meaning of special advisor.
Everything they advise.
Yes. Any special advisor that goes to the president to go and advise him has lost his job. The last person to try it is that former obedient that came Baba was advising them when I said, did we appoint you to come out? When we gave you the position, it's because you are notorious for making you once from afar. Because that's what you are appointed for. And you say you are chief economic advisor to the president. I'm telling you, what do you know about the economy? If you know about the economy, why don't you go and be president of that? Anyways, on a serious note, that's our position on if I missed your first question, what was that?
How can Nigerian youth organize?
With one voice.